foot is placed behind the body, the toe placed in towards the ground. Pushing in towards the ground, you try and move from the knee back towards the centre of the body again. It's almost like a dragging action, but the foot's not actually moving. You're stretching across the shin and opening up across the ankle as well. Here's a closer look. Foot into the ground and pull back towards the body without moving. Here's the second one. Sitting on the ground, stretch across the whole shin and the ankle, and a bit more intensity, you can sit backwards. Across the calves. This one you dip down on a step or a bench as in this case. Keep the leg nice and straight. Nice good dip down. Both feet. Hold all stretches for about 10 seconds post exercise. If it's a specific range of movement you're wishing to get and develop the range of movement, you're looking at about 30 seconds. So here we can see it from a different angle. Nice and dipped below, keep the knee nice and straight. We can also use to emphasize the inside and the outside of the calves. So we can rotate slightly inwards, stretching the outside of the calf a little more. And then we can stretch by rotating outward slightly and stretching the insides. Make sure as well that your body's upright, arms are back shoulder width height and facing forward. This is stretching the soleus, which goes either side of the Achilles. Starting with a straight leg, then bent knee. Make sure the knee doesn't go past the toe. So you get a stretch lower down on the calf. And this one here is basically a wall push, where you're pushing the wall over, arms, shoulder width height, head looking forward, straight leg at the back, feet nice and straight, pointing forward. Trying to push the wall over with the back leg. The front leg is only used for balance. These are all different variations of stretching the calves. Thank you to Kate and Claire for helping out with the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already to see new videos pop up. Hit the notification bell or even hit the playlist up here and watch some more. And I'll see you on the next one.